गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन माय डियर स्टूडेंट एंड मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, आप कैसे हैं सभी। आई एम रामवीर फ्रॉम मैपल्स अकेडमी एंड आई एम प्रेजेंट यूनिट फर्स्ट चैप्टर नंबर 2 वीडियो रिलेटेड टू द चैप्टर 2 नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया. In the first chapter we will discuss about the nationalism in Europe, and in this chapter now we explain some important topic how the nationalism came in India. So let's start from the World War first. When you study NCERT book chapter 2 in history, so you find that this chapter started from World War first. The impact of World War First was not a good impact in India. On the economy, socially and political system was damaged, and British forcefully retreated. This was the impact. Bad harvest at that time, the people forbade to give any tax. British imposed many more taxes, such as they introduced a new tax, income tax in India. And bad harvest, they implemented many new rules on the people. Taxes increased, epidemic influenza in 1921 when the census was counted, so many people, many millions of people were decayed in the hazardous. So World War First के impact ये थे. Now Gandhi ji and Satyagraha. Gandhi ji was a great leader in India and he came in 1915 from South Africa. When he saw that condition of Indian became very worst, so he started a satyagraha. He launched many satyagraha, was famous satyagraha which were studied in class 10th book, and these satyagraha important for map also. मैप के लिए सभी बच्चे इसको प्रिपेयर करेंगे. इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आता है. चंपारण सत्याग्रह वाज लॉन्च्ड ऑफ गांधी जी. चंपारण related to the Bihar indigo plantation was against by the people, and Gandhi ji reacted at that time. Now he go to the Ahmedabad, cotton mill workers, Kheda peasants workers, and these satyagraha launched for a widely ranged it. इन सत्याग्रह में गांधी जी ने अपने आप को एक नेता के रूप में उभारा, and people, Indian people consider themselves. He became the leader of future in India and he saved to their life. Now खिलाफत नॉन कॉपरेशन, एक्चुअली सत्याग्रह पे बात चल रही थी. सत्याग्रह नॉन वायलेंस बिलीव बाय गांधी जी, एंड इट वाज अ धर्म एंड द ट्रूथफुलनेस व्हेन पीपल स्टार्टेड टू बिलीव इन द पोर्शन एंड दे बिकेम एन इम्पोर्टेंट पोर्शन फॉर द टाइम. Now in this chapter Khilafat non-cooperation movement, Gandhi ji wanted a big movement. He wanted to start a major movement, but he had not cooperated by the Congress and many more persons. After some times a Khilafat issue reached in India for Muslims. Khalifa of Turkey, Khalifa sent some fatwas in India to order the Indian Muslim to follow the some rules of Turkey, the head of the Turkeys. But World War First he became defeated, so Indian forbade that they not follow some rules and regulation of Khalifa. Gandhi ji had the good opportunity that they wanted unite of Hindu and Muslim, इसलिए उन्होंने मुस्लिमों का साथ दिया, हिंदुओं को साथ देने के लिए, and he contribute and he helped to the Muslims. मौलाना शौकत अली and Muhammad Ali, they established Khilafat committee in Bombay at that, and it became important that totally against to the Khalifa. It was the background that in 1st January 1921 Gandhi ji started a famous non-cooperation movement, NCM. Non-cooperation movement started by Gandhi ji. There are many causes at that time. Do you know about the Rowlatt Act? Rowlatt Act हम पढ़ चुके हैं. रोलेट एक्ट क्लास 10th. रोलेट एक्ट वाज स्टार्टेड. इट वाज एन एक्ट एंड पास्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश and hurriedly passed, and it gave the full freedom, full power to the British that they arrest anyone who grouping they became grouping and collectively talked to any policy for 2 years without any attention. गांधी जी ने इसका बहुत इसको किया था और इसी का नतीजा होता है इंडिया में दैट द जलियांवाला बाग इंसिडेंट इन 13 अप्रैल 1919 में, जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग मारे गए थे एंड जनरल डायर forced to the Amritsar at that time. Now Jallianwala Bagh also a main causes of the NCM Rowlatt Act also. The British policy was not so good. टैक्स बढ़ रहे थे तो गांधी जी स्टार्ट कर दिया था अपना द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट एंड इन दिस मूवमेंट मैनी पीपल स्टार्ट पार्टिसिपेट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द टाउन्स मूवमेंट इन टाउन्स. जब आप पढ़ते हैं द मूवमेंट्स इन टाउन्स तो मूवमेंट इन टाउन्स द मिडिल क्लास पर्सन पार्टिसिपेट, बिजनेस क्लास students, teachers also, they give up their practices and they leave the school colleges at that time. But time after sometimes they rejoin and this movement became not successful in towns. Now peasants में Alori in peasants it was a center by the Awadh. Peasants were against to the landlord Talukdar and Baba Ramchandra was a leader at that in the movement and he collectively against the policy of the British by this movement. Now the tribals Alori Sitaram Raju tribals में जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो they wanted freedom, they wanted forest act abolished. They wanted to enter in the forest and collect all the things. Now tribals plantation workers have the different notion of the idea of the cooperation, non-cooperation of Swaraj. They wanted to leave the tea garden and left tea garden and they reached to their home. यही उनका ख्वाब था कि वो टी गार्डन को छोड़ दें और अपने घर पे पहुंच जाएं, लेकिन इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल. और जब उन्होंने गांधी जी के मूवमेंट के बारे में सुना दे स्टार्टेड टू गो देयर होम. दे लीव द टी गार्डन बट दे वर controlled by the British and they were punished. That why they leave the tea garden. Now call of the movement. Actually this movement was called off in 1922. The incident was occurred in Chori Chora at Gorakhpur. 22 police men were fired by the people. So movement became violent और गांधी जी ने इसको बंद कर दिया था. Now the Swaraj Party. This question Swaraj Party actually it is one word question. It was formed by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. ये बच्चों सब याद रख लेना. In 1909, this Hind Swaraj was also Hind Swaraj, a famous book written by the Gandhiji in which Gandhiji tells us about the cooperation. Next, the Swaraj Party. Then the Lahore Congress session. Yes, the Lahore Congress session was held in 1929 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and in this Congress session, Nehru demanded the Swaraj or full independent or complete independent and 26 January 1930 declare the independent in India. Next the Simon Commission. Yes, 3 number में were short questions. It is very important. Swaraj the Simon Commission और long में भी आ जाता है. Swaraj Simon Commission was a commission was had the Sir John Simon. It was in London in 1927 but it arrived in India in 1928. The problem that question ये आता है कि why Indian react against to this Simon Commission, because no one Indian in this commission, all were there British, and it required the functioning of the constitution which was implemented in 1919 in India and such change, but it was failed. The Gandhi-Irvin Salt March. Salt March was started by Gandhiji in 1930. Actually Gandhiji wanted a complete independent और पूरा बड़ा मूवमेंट चलाना चाह रहे थे. इससे पहले 1930 आ गया तो साल्ट मार्च उन्होंने चलाया था. लॉर्ड इरविन वाज द वाइसरॉय एट दैट टाइम इन इंडिया, सो ही डिमांडेड मैनी मोर थिंग्स. गांधी जी ने ही रोट 11 डिमांड टू इरविन. इनमें से एक ये भी थी कि साल्ट टैक्स एबोलिस्ड, वो और बहुत सारी डिमांड थी, बट इरविन ने इनको नहीं माना था और गांधी जी ने मजबूरी में आकर अपना ये मूवमेंट स्टार्ट कर दिया था. द साल्ट मार्च भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. इट वाज साल्ट फ्रॉम दी साबरमती आश्रम. 78 ट्रस्टेड वॉलंटियर के साथ गांधी स्टार्टेड टू साबरमती आश्रम टू द दांडी एंड ही वॉक टू 40 miles 10 miles पर डे एंड ही रीच द कोस्ट एरिया एंड विलेज ऑफ दांडी एंड ही abolished द साल्ट टैक्स. People of India abolished salt tax and he started to consume salt. and they started became against, and they have the monopoly right at that time, British, that no one can use, no one can sell the salt, but Indian also sell the salt at that time. Now Gandhi Irving Pact in 1931 movement चल रहा था, CDM, civil disobedience movement. It was the second famous movement of Gandhi ji, and this movement started from the Salt March. So Gandhi Irving Pact was held September 1931, I think, and in this pact Gandhi ji agreed to join the second round table conference at London, and Irwin agreed to release all the political prisoners, which were 1 lakh something, and Pandit Nehru, Abdul Ghaffar Khan also in prison. So it was the Gandhi Irwin Pact. Now business class, and now this portion is also Gandhiji relaunched the movement. When he came in India after the second round table conference, he found that no one can release. So he restart the civil disobedience movement. These person, business class also participate in this movement because they wanted freedom in trade. In world war first they gain a more profit, इसलिए उन्होंने मूवमेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया था. Many organization funds also collectively given to the revolutionary and many persons. FICCI also founded in 1927 by the person of business class. Tata and many more persons have participated in this movement. Okay, now there are some important, the Pune Pact. Actually, women in CDM, women also participate in CDM. They not wanted a political power, but they wanted freedom by the British. By the call of Gandhiji, they went to jail. They went to the Dandi Yatra due to the Salt March, and they went to jail also. They were high family belong, they were middle class women. They wrote many magazines and many newspapers against the British. Now the Pune Pact, it was the pact. If we discuss about the limitation of the movement of CDM, so in this movement Dalit not participate in any movement CDM because Dalit consider himself Harijan और depressed classes कहा जाता था उनको. और Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a leader of the Dalit. Gandhiji gives some important measures, some important topics, some important work to implementation of the Harijan. They use Harijan word, and they urge to the landlord and many rich person or caste. It means that he was against to the caste system. But in the Pune Pact also, Ambedkar wanted a separate electorate seats reserved for the Dalits, and British considered their demand in second round table conference. So it was dispute between Gandhiji and Ambedkar. Actually क्या था कि गांधीजी नहीं चाह रहे थे कि भाई अगर इनको अलग से सीट मिल जाती है तो इट द यूनिटी और इनका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जो भारत में होता है विलय दलित का, इट नॉट बिकेम ईजी टास्क, इट बिकेम वेरी डिफिकल्ट, और दोनों के बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा दूरियाँ हो सकती थी, और इट बिकेम वेरी डेंजरस फॉर द यूनिटी ऑफ द कंट्री. तो द रिजल्ट ऑफ द पूना पैक्ट इन 1932, पूना पैक्ट was held in 1932 by Gandhiji and by B.R. Ambedkar. It gave the voting right to the Dalits, and they were counted in generals also. They were counted general. It gave some important rights, voting right, but वे counted होंगे general में. It was the Pune Pact. Next, collective identity. Collective identity, it means ये last portion है chapter का. It means that how the people who became painter, artist, and wrote national anthem, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Chattopadhyay, Abhindranath Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore, Natesa Sastri, they wrote many more things about the independence of India. But it was very contribution in the world. Last, limitation of CDM. In limitation of CDM, not everyone part in the CDM take part. सभी ने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया. Muslim also not take part collectively after the CDM. Because they became alienation by the हिंदू, और हिंदुओं के द्वारा उनको जो है ये एक पॉलिसी उनके दिमाग में आई कि व्हाट विल बी द फ्यूचर ऑफ द मेजॉरिटी कंट्री in India of Muslims. तो इससे डिस्प्यूट होता चला गया एंड डिमांड ऑफ द पाकिस्तान also demanded by the Muhammad Ali Jinnah and poet Iqbal and many more person. So these were the important topics related to this chapter. Okay students, bye.